how to find the password of the Wi-Fi that you are currently connected to. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can find the current Wi-Fi password of the network which you are connected to. So in order to find this out, what you will need to do is simply launch the settings of your mobile device by tapping onto the settings icon, and then under there you will need to go to the second option, that is the Wi-Fi. So simply go there and make sure you are connected to that particular Wi-Fi of which you want to find the password of. Now you need to click onto this I button and it will show you more of the Wi-Fi details. Now from here you will have this option of share. So simply click onto this share option, and you might also need to verify yourself by typing in the password or verifying your fingerprint. Now once you will do this, you will get this QR code and also the password listed right here, using which you can easily connect to this particular Wi-Fi network again, or even share it. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.